Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's my lecture is about field of vision. What is field of vision? Part of external world seen by one eye at a given instant when it is fixed in one direction is called field of vision or visual field of that eye. Aggregates number of points seen simultaneously when the eye is fixed steadily in one point. Visual field is described as island of vision surrounded by an area of blindness. Visual field of human eye has an angle of 160 degree in horizontal meridian and 135 in vertical meridian. Visual field of human eye is divided into four parts, which are temporal field, nasal field, upper field and lower field. At first, temporal and nasal field. Visual eye of each eye is divided into two unequal parts. What is outer or temporal field and another is inner or nasal field by a vertical line which is passing through the fixation point. What is the fixation point? Fixation point is the meeting point of visual axis with the object. Temporal part of visual field extend up to about 100 degree, but the nasal part extend only up to 60 degree because it is restricted by nose. Then upper and lower field. Visual field of each eye is also divided into upper and lower field by a horizontal line which is passing through the fixation point. The extent of upper field is about 60 degree, which is restricted by upper eyelid and orbital margin. And extent of lower field is about 75 degree, which is also restricted by cheek. So, the visual field is restricted in all the sides except the temporal part. This is the figure where the temporal and nasal field, upper and lower field division there. The shape and extent of visual field is mapped out by means of an instrument which is called Goldmann perimeter, and this technique is called perimetry. Visual field is also determined by Bejeram or tangent screen or by confrontation test. The central visual fields are mapped with a tangent screen, which is a black felt screen across which a white target is moved. Humphrey field analyzer is also used to map the visual field, and it is more useful to test the central portion of visual field. Most commonly we use the Goldmann perimeter, which is perimetry, to diagnose the blindness in a specific portion of retina. One chart the field of vision for each eye. A process is called perimetry. This is done by the subject look with one eye closed and another eye looking towards a central spot directly in front of eye. Then a small dot of light or a small object is moved back or forth in all areas of field of vision, and subject indicates when the spot of light or object is seen or cannot be seen. By noting the location, blind spot or any objective scotoma, that means blind spot due to disease, can be outlined. This is the figure where we want to see you the optic disc, and this figure taken from Guyton. In all perimetry chart, a blind spot caused by lack of rod and cones in the retina over the optic disc is found about 15 degree lateral to the central point of vision. This causes a break in the visual field. Optic disc in retina where ganglion cell axon exit the eye to form the optic nerve, which does not have any visual receptors. If the image of any object fall on optic disc, object cannot be seen. So, this part of retina is blind. So this part name is blind spot or physiological blind spot. The optic disc is also the entry point for major blood vessels that supply the retina. Normally, darkness in visual field due to blind spot does not causes any inconvenience because fixation of each eye is at different angles. Even when one eye is closed or blind, the person is not aware of blind spot. One can recognize the blind spot by some experimental procedures. Occasionally, blind spots are found in portions of field of vision other than the optic disc area. Such blind spot is called scotoma. They are frequently caused by damage of optic nerve resulting from glaucoma or from allergic reaction in retina or from toxic conditions such as lead poisoning or excessive use of tobacco. Another condition that can be diagnosed by perimetry is retinitis pigmentosa. In this disease, portions of retina degenerate and excessive melanin pigment deposit in the degenerated area. Retinitis pigmentosa usually causes blindness in the peripheral field of vision first, then gradually encroaches on central area. Thank you for your patience hearing.